In Utah, your outdoor space isn't just a yard, it's where life happens. It's where your day begins with fresh mountain air, where kids play, friends gather, and quiet moments turn into lasting memories. It's more than grass and trees. It's an extension of your home. At Truco Services, we believe your landscape should reflect the way you live, the way you relax, and the way you connect with the people around you. That's why we're dedicated to transforming ordinary outdoor spaces into beautiful, functional environments designed with purpose. From the very first consultation, we take the time to understand your vision, your needs, and your goals. Whether you're looking for a complete landscape redesign, a custom patio, retaining walls, or professional tree care, we bring experience, creativity, and precision to every project. Our services cover everything you need to build and maintain a stunning outdoor space. Custom landscape design tailored to your property, professional installation using high-quality materials built to last, expert tree services, including trimming, removal, and healthcare, efficient irrigation systems designed to conserve water and keep your landscape thriving, and ongoing maintenance to keep everything looking its best, season after season. We understand Utah's unique climate, the hot, dry summers, the cold, snowy winters, and everything in between. That means we don't just build landscapes that look good today. We create outdoor spaces that stand the test of time. Our team takes pride in every detail, from the first shovel in the ground to the final walkthrough. Because when you invest in your property, you deserve results that exceed expectations. We believe in honest work, clear communication, and showing up when we say we will. No shortcuts, no guesswork, just dependable service and exceptional results. Imagine stepping into your backyard and seeing a space that feels complete. A custom patio where you can entertain guests on warm summer nights. A perfectly designed landscape that adds beauty, value, and comfort to your home. Healthy trees providing shade and structure. Lush greenery that welcomes you every time you step outside. A place to relax. A place to celebrate. A place that feels like home, outside. That's what we create every day for homeowners across Utah, and we'd love to do the same for you. From small upgrades to full-scale transformations, Truco Services is your trusted partner in professional landscaping, built for Utah's climate, designed for your lifestyle, delivered with care, precision, and pride. Truco Services, professional landscaping you can count on. Call today for your free estimate, and let's bring your outdoor vision to life.